Welcome to High Limit Performance. This is an unboxing of the M18 Fuel 4.5 inch grinder. It's equivalent to 11 amps of corded power. That's a pretty good amount of power for a small grinder. Just to give you a reference, I brought down my corded Bosch grinder, and I use this for a lot of lawnmower blades and a lot of small jobs. And it is an 8 amp. And this guy, I can't think if I've ever stalled it out. And I have one of these at work, and again, it works real well. And I bought this one to use on the farm and around the shop. So we're going to do an unboxing of it, give you a look at what's inside, and maybe some accessories to get for it as well, some discs and such. And this is the model 2880-20. Owner's manual. Nice handle. Box is empty. All the different Milwaukee tools you can buy. A nice heavy duty guard, and it flips up so you can rotate it. Protection, you can have it so it's removable. So you got multiple options with this cover guard. This one has the paddle, which can be nice for turning on and off quickly, where the Bosch has the thumb switch, which I think I like the paddle a little bit better on the Milwaukee. But it is nice that you can lock it and flip it off real easily on the Bosch. On your hand, there's ergonomics on this. It's a little bit longer than the Bosch, especially once the battery is on it. And it's heavier than the Bosch once the battery is on it. Without the battery array on it, they're similar in weight. And just do a little test to see how they compare sound-wise. And I really can't tell much difference if one's louder than the other. They're very comparable in noise, although you won't hear that once you start grinding. And it comes with the tool. You have the little stop button, so you can lock it and change your blades and such. So that's nice. The handle on this one's a little different than I have at work. It's got like an ergonomic anti-vibration built into it. That must be newer. So probably take some fatigue out if you have to grind for a long time with that anti-vibration. The handle's got real good grip. The Milwaukee or the Bosch one is more plasticky. And if you never had a 4.5 inch grinder, sander, cutter before, like this, or this one, this SONTAX, you can get these at Menards, these little packets. The prices vary from week to week because Menards is always having sales. But if you can get one of these, it gives you a lot of options of different things to try. You'll have buffing fiber wheels, more coarse buffing wheel, several different grits of flapper wheels, from 40 grit to 80 grit, and then they come like this, and it's also has in there even a more coarse Scotch-Brite wheel, and I've used my Scotch-Brite wheel up, so it's no in this pack. What I've done then, this is so nice for transporting your disc, is I added all my cutoff wheels. So my cutoff wheels I would use in my grinder, I just put them in the same pack. And they store real nice. If you have a Milwaukee bag to put your tools in, you can put these in with it. If you got a pack out, the that would work well with these. So these are not real high-end blades, they will wear out quickly, but it's just a good thing to get to help you find out all the different ways you can use these tools. And I think it's a good idea. I went ahead and tightened a little screw down so that you can install the guard. And you just, it's spring loaded. You see a little spring in there. You pull it back and you just have to line up. And basically you're going to take the top with the biggest notch and line it up, and then you can turn it to wherever you want to be at and make your adjustments. Pretty easy. And then just to add, we'll just say you want to put your disc on, center it up, line up your nut, tighten it up, hold your button down so it finds a place it locks, tighten it up, give it a little bit extra with your wrench. If you want, you can put your extra safety guard on, cover a little bit extra, put your battery in, and ready to go. Put your handle on for a little better control. Very nice grinder. Milwaukee's did a nice job with this one. And I think if you buy this, you'll be pleased. I know the one I have at work is similar. This one looks a little bit nicer. And with the 11 amps, it has more power than this Bosch, and this Bosch will do a lot of work. So this should be a good workhorse for you. Thanks for watching Heilman Performance. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe. I have quite a few more tools I'll be doing reviews on. Some of them I'll be doing more testing, some less, depending on what I have available. But thanks again, and have a good day.